In this video, let's talk about how to use Outlook search features. By using the search feature, you can quickly locate any messages, attachments, or contacts even from years ago. In order to use the search feature, what you can do is click on the main search bar, which is on the top, and here you can start searching for subjects or any keywords that are related. Other than this, there is a advanced feature option as well on the right hand side. If you click on this icon, you can fill in all of these information so that you can find the exact email that you're looking for, such as the sender's address, if any CC were added in, the subject or any keywords related, or you can also select the date range. Now, if you don't want to do all of these, there are search operators as well that you can use. So for example, if you type in subject and add in the keyword of the subject, you can search all of the emails inside of your inbox that has this particular keyword in it. If you hit search, it's going to show up all of the emails that have this particular keyword. If you are trying to search for any emails that have attachments, you can add in the search operator and type in yes, meaning it will only show those files or those emails that have any attachments. If you want to check out all of these search operators, you can just open up a new tab and then search for Outlook search operators, and it's going to show you all of these search filters that you can use inside of Outlook. So that was a quick video about the way that you use a search feature inside of Outlook. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and also hit that notification bell if you are interested in more future videos. That's all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.